Hello internet. Today we're gonna make beans with sausage because beans and sausage are really good and you can eat it with rice. First you're gonna want to start off with some onions and garlic and bay leaves and some chili flakes and sweat those off, and it smells really nice. For all you basics out there, go to basics. Next we're gonna add our sausage log. It'll break down. It won't always be a log. We're just gonna mix that up. Now that our sausage is all broken up, we're gonna get some color on the sausage. Don't forget to cook the rice. Now that we've browned our sausage, we can add the beans.
Probably just started to feel itself again,
And some water. That's good. I added more water. We also added Portuguese sausage and reduced all the liquid down. So that's what we have. Eat it with rice.